You were also drifting in the lane. So when I was coming up behind you, you were...
Just because I was getting a blowjob.
Okay. Initial radar reading was 68. Just a moment ago, or it passed me at 66 when I was entering the turn lane. It's currently 67. 68. 68. 69. 70 briefly. 70. My 750.
197.
It'll be Babcock and the Boulevard southbound on a Durango, 23 on the plate.
Down.
Drifting in the lane. Delta Papa Whiskey Zulu 13.
Down.
How you doing?
How's it going?
Any reason for the speed?
I got to pee.
Okay. You have your registration insurance as well?
Yeah, I
How much did you drink tonight?
do. None.
Smell the alcohol.
She's been drinking for...
I still want 75. You 51. You live on Henchman?
Right next to
Sure thing. Good. The taxi 97, female's on her way home from Snake. Tower.
Okay. How long are those? Okay, come on out. Back here. You know how fast you're going?
about 62? 62?
The highest speed I got on radar was 70.
70?
And that was right before I pulled you over.
I just really had to pee, that's all.
Okay. You were also drifting in the lane. So when I was coming up behind you, you were...
Just because I was getting a blowjob.
Okay. Probably not the best decision while you're driving, especially if you're in a certain career field.
I understand.
You didn't drink anything? No? Okay. Just hang tight right there. Give me a second. Alright. Not making assumptions, man. Everybody's got a job. Okay? I'm just going to check your eyes. We'll go from there, okay?
Yeah.
You put your feet together, arms at your side. See a finger? Here's what I want you to do, okay?
Yep.
I want you to follow the finger. Finger's going to go back and forth in front of your vision. All I want you to do is continuously follow the finger. Don't move your head. Understand? Mm-hmm. Any questions?
I do have a fucked up left eye.
What's wrong with it?
When you do your nystagmus, it's going to go fucked up for a quick second.
What causes it? Is it endpoint nystagmus? Is
No, it's a head trauma from the military.
it just in one eye?
Yeah.
Okay. Left eye?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, what's the time delay?
He left the hospital 20 minutes ago with an IV in his arm from home regional. Unknown how. Nothing to travel. Just come off on Countywide if he's there. Yeah.
Alright, I assume you remember who I am when you worked here?
Yep.
Alright. Looking at your eyes, I would say you're probably close. Okay. So, in lieu of continuing, why don't we call somebody to come pick you up? Sound like a plan? It's not for me. Because if you want, we can continue and we see how it goes. But
I would rather not. I'm in enough shit with my department as it is, so I would rather not. So,
how about we make some calls?
okay. I'll do that for you.
You can have a seat back in the car. Let me know when you got somebody around. Assume you're familiar?
Yeah.
I got somebody.
My brother coming.
How long?
He's off of Garbing,
Okay.
so 15 minutes.
Okay. So, I'm sure I don't need to explain to you, man. I'm going to trust that you wait to get picked up. If I see you pull back out, we'll have a different conversation, which I don't want to have.
I totally get it.
No, you don't want to have. Okay, you have laxament pursuit. The nystagmus isn't that pronounced at maximum deviation. You don't have an angle. So, like I said, you might be over. You may not be. Okay. Obviously, you're not falling down drunk or anything like that, but the driving wasn't great. Okay?
I'm not trying to push it. So.
Yep. Is he going to pick up the car or are you going to leave it?
He'll have his buddy ride with him and get my car. So.
All right, that works. Like I said, just
Thank you.
obviously get picked up.
Thank you.
See you, man.
Until next time, thank you for watching Cameras Everywhere. Beware enemies of the people, and remember, a nation's morals are like its teeth. The more decayed they are, the more it hurts to touch them.